When others were aiming at growth, we focused on fundamental questions and the future. Different thoughts, new tries, and untiring passion. With our innovative technology that respects people and creates values, we are opening up a convenient and happy future. Semisolution ASIC, company leading the embedded IoT device market. Started in 2003 as a non-memory semiconductor and display distributor, this industry's first convergent IT knowledge-based company has met various needs based on its know-how and technology accumulated for the last 16 years. Not only providing IP, but also ASIC and embedded IoT systems. From a semiconductor distributor to an engineering service provider, and then an embedded system developer, we are constantly transforming ourselves and expanding our business. Also, with continuous investment and research and people-oriented philosophy, we have been able to become an enterprise of middle standing in the system semiconductor industry. We are proud to say we are a leading expert in the field of ASIC. As a top semiconductor developer with design technologies for various fields, we have focused on ASIC based on high value-added specialized technologies and solutions, and succeeded in mass-producing 40 nm custom semiconductor. With an expansion of the ASIC market, orders are also increasing steadily, bringing attention to Semisolution's growth potential. Also, through continuous school industry cooperation and investment, we are expanding into various analog markets and specialized semiconductor IPs. Based on its know-how and technology in ASIC, Semisolution was the first to expand into embedded IoT systems and has made bold investments, creating diverse portfolios. From security cameras to healthcare products, we have completed an IoT device lineup. Semisolution is the only analog IP developer in Korea. In 2017, we succeeded in developing an analog ultra-low power 12-bit ADC and built a full lineup of core analog IPs, including ADCs, DACs, and PLLs. With continuous development of various domestic analog IPs, we will never stop our effort to gain competitiveness against foreign companies currently dominating the market. Semisolution believes it is more valuable to nurture people than to scale up the company. We will not neglect our duty to be a good place of work for our employees and create a good culture. Semisolution provides customized values and builds long-term partnerships. Semisolution, a company that not only values optimal quality and prices, but also the highest level of customer satisfaction, is your success partner. From IP to ASIC and embedded IoT systems. Outstanding experts who lead various needs in the market. Who are not afraid of entering into new realms and taking a leap toward the world's best. Capitalizing on its leading technology and differentiated business and marketing strategies, we will be the world's best convergence IT knowledge-based company.